Hello, welcome to LearnNova. I will be taking you on how to sign up as a school on LearnNova web application. First, search for www.learnnova.ng. Once the website has been loaded, click on the school sign up at the top menu of the website.
Now on the sign up page, fill in the necessary information. Note that the username should be easy to remember and type. Not too long for it would be used frequently by your school and learners for authentication processes. Your code can also be the same thing as your username, just for simplicity. Once finished with inputting the necessary information, you can go ahead and click on the Sign Up button